We know that the first time a player interacts with a guitar, it's a pivotal moment. The sound, the feel, the style of that instrument, it's what's gonna determine whether or not they become a guitar player for life. Selling premium instruments online versus traditional stores is challenging because in a traditional store, you get to see it in person, you get to feel it. Now on Amazon, we found that guitars were selling for a significantly lower price than we were seeing in traditional retail stores. And we knew that if we're not providing a product at that price point, then we would not have the opportunity to serve those new players. Amazon Ads for us was a breath of fresh air. Using their proprietary machine learning approach, they analyzed 17 million insights across 456 variables. It allowed us to understand the consumer in a way that we hadn't been able to before. We launched the Fender Debut series exclusively for Amazon, and we supported them with marketing strategies.
Between Fender and Flywheel, we used a combination of programmatic display, on-site video, as well as paid search. Leveraging Amazon's first-party signals, in 6 months, we were able to see these products make up 15% of Fender's Amazon sales, which resulted in a 44% year-over-year growth.
But the real impact will be seen as these new players continue to buy their second, third, and fourth guitar on their journey to being a lifelong musician.